Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to try to show you the way how to hide an object from the video by Capcut application. So here I already have my project as well as the clip. So here I would like to try to remove this object. So the things that we need to do, just go click into the clip, and we need to have a copy for the clip. You just need to scrolling these tools down here until you find the copy tools. Whenever you found it, you just need to go click it. And now we need to make this copy clip become an overlay. We just need to back and we need to find these overlay tools, and then you just need to click it. And when the copied clip is become an overlay part, you just need to drag it until the duration is just the same with the original video. And now for the overlay parts, we need to click it, and we need to isolate some parts from the overlay clip. So we need to use this mask tools. So you just need to go click this mask. And now since the shape of the object here is kind of like a rectangle, so I would like to use this rectangle. And now we need to isolate the part that we want to use for covering or hiding the object that we want to hide from this video. So I would like to use this part. So now let's just adjust in it until we got the sample. And whenever you're done and got the sample, you just need to go click this checklist button. And now we need to resizing the overlay part by pinch with two of your finger while dragging until it's covering the object that you want to remove. You can also position in it. There we go. Just got the correct positions to cover your video or to cover the object on the video. And when you got it, and here is the result. So that's the way how to hide an object on a Capcut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.